everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a snowman for Christmas. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, all we gotta do is we're gonna start with the eyes first for the snowman. So to do that, we are gonna draw two eyeballs. One over here and one over here. There's two eyes. Okay, next we're gonna draw a bigger circle inside like this, and then we're gonna draw a smaller connecting circle like this, and we're gonna color them later. Next we're gonna draw the snowman's nose, so we're gonna go from this angle and I'm gonna point it upwards like this, kind of like a corn. Now we're gonna draw lines under it. Just follow along, and after that we're gonna draw the snowman's mouth. So the snowman is usually smiling. We're drawing the mouth. We're gonna make mini circles for the mouth. Make some big and make some small. Done. Next, we're gonna draw the hat of the snowman. So before we do that, we're gonna draw the snowman's head. Make a round circle from this side to this side. Pull it down a little bit. And then make it connect in the middle. From the top, we're gonna make a line between this circle to that circle. So like this, and then extend a little bit. Next we're gonna draw the hat of the snowman. I'm gonna point it upwards and connect it to this end, and then point it downwards. Next we're gonna draw the tip of the hat. You point it up like this, go up, and for this angle we're gonna connect it to the bottom, and we're gonna draw a round circle on top. This is the snow hat. Okay? Right. Now, next we're gonna draw the scarf of the snowman. So we're gonna pull it down on each corner, and we're gonna connect it in the middle. After that, do another line at the bottom. Match it from the other side. Put some squiggly lines. Now next, let's draw a line at the bottom of the snowman. So over here, then draw two big round lines like this. And then lastly, the snowman's hands. They're actually twigs. For the other side too. And then draw lines for the scarf. And also do the same thing on the other side. Also, don't forget 3 round circles in the middle. It's okay if your circle isn't perfect, so we're going to color them in later. And we're going to add some snow at the back. So this is like snow fluff. Alright, now we're going to start coloring. Let's color the eyes first. So it kind of looks like his eyes are glowing. Now let's color the mouth. And then let's color the buttons. And then sides and accentuate the arms. Make another thick line over it. Connect this part and this part. Do the same thing on this side. Connect this part and this part. There. Now it's outlined as a corner of the snowman, just the sides. It'll look even better. The same thing on the other side. There we go. All right. Now that we're done with the snowman, let's get to coloring. Get your colors and start coloring. There we have it, the snowman. Hope this helps.